Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change currency in hotels.com. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your hotels.com account, which of course you've done right here. If you do not have an account on hotels.com, it's pretty much easy. Launch any browser of your choice. Once you do that, in the search bar type hotels.com and it's going to take you to the official website for hotels.com. Of course, once you get there, top right corner, click on the sign up button and follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. So once you've created your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time right here in hotels.com. Now let's hop into today's task, which is pretty much simple: how to change currency on hotels.com. So from this homepage, if you check the top right corner of your screen, you're going to see a few headings: English, list your property, support trips, and of course your profile name. So click on your profile name and it's going to bring out this extended menu. So right down, you're going to see accounts, a list of favorites, your reward activities, and feedback, sign out, and of course your rewards. Go ahead and click on account and it's going to open you up to your profile page. So from there, we're going to see what to do next. Now, as you can see, it says load in your profile. Now head over to the left corner of your screen. You're going to see profile, communications, payment, review, settings. So go ahead and click on payment. Now that you are here, if you check the top of your screen, this payment option, you're going to see this where you have your currency and then you have help, trips, and Amanda. So what you're going to do is to click on this USD, which is the currency. Just click on that and then you're going to see a wide array of options. So these are the countries with their currencies. Okay, as you can see, euros, GBP, British pounds, and all of this. So you can now switch. Let's say I want to use GBP. You see that changes. So that's pretty much how you can change your currency on hotels.com. So once you're done, you can just go the way back and now you can make payments using GBP. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.